Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. So happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're talking about something that touches all of our lives every single day, our daily routines.
Yes, whether it's simple or detailed, our routine really shapes how our day feels. For me, having a routine is like having a friendly guide for the day.
That's a lovely way to put it. So let's start at the very beginning. Mark, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, I'll be honest. I give myself one snooze button press. Just one. After that, I force myself up, open the window to get some fresh air, and drink a big glass of water.
No phone?
Not yet. I try to avoid my phone for the first 15 minutes. It's my little rule. How about you, Lisa? Are you a jump right up person?
Not exactly. I usually wake up just before my alarm. I stay in bed for a minute or two, take a few deep breaths, and think of one thing I'm grateful for. It's a calm way to start.
I love that. It sounds very peaceful. What comes next for you?
Then I make myself a cup of herbal tea, chamomile or lemon ginger, and I sit quietly for about 10 minutes. Sometimes I look out the window, sometimes I just enjoy the warmth of the cup. It's my quiet time before the day begins.
That's beautiful. My mind is already moving by that point. Right after water, I do a quick 10-minute stretch. Nothing intense, just enough to wake up my body.
Do you feel like that makes a difference in your day?
Absolutely. If I skip it, I feel stiffer and less focused. It's like telling my body, okay, it's time to start. Do you exercise in the morning?
Oh no, my body isn't ready for that so early. I prefer to walk or do yoga in the late afternoon. It helps me separate work from relaxation time. It's like a reset.
That makes sense. We all have our own rhythm. Now, the important question, breakfast. How does it fit into your morning?
Breakfast is my favorite meal. I take time to make something nice, maybe oatmeal with fruit or avocado toast, and I always sit down to eat, no rushing.
That's a real ritual. I'm usually in more of a hurry. I'll make a smoothie or grab some yogurt and granola and coffee. Always coffee. That's my true morning signal.
I know coffee is essential for you. I stick to my tea. So after breakfast, how does your work routine begin?
I start with the hardest or most important task first. My brain is freshest in the morning, so I protect that time. No meetings, no emails, just focused work for at least an hour.
That's smart. I do something similar. I also take short breaks every hour, just to stand, look away from the screen, maybe make more tea. It keeps me from feeling tired too quickly.
That's a good idea. I tend to push through, but maybe I should try that. What about the afternoon? How do you keep your energy up?
After lunch, I usually do lighter tasks, answering emails, organizing, planning, and around 3 p.m. I have a small snack like almonds or an apple. It helps a lot.
I usually take a short walk after lunch. Even 5 minutes outside helps clear my head. Otherwise, I can feel really sluggish.
Let's talk about the evening. How do you end your day?
I try to stop working by 6:30. Dinner is important to me. I enjoy cooking. After that, I stay away from screens. I might read a book or listen to calm music.
That's wonderful. My evening is about slowing down. I dim the lights, maybe take a warm shower, and write a few sentences in my journal, just about how the day felt. Then I read until I feel sleepy.
Journaling. Does it help you?
It really does. It's not a diary of events, more like a way to let go of thoughts before bed. It helps me sleep better.
It sounds like both our routines are about being kind to ourselves, giving ourselves what we need to have a good day and a good night.
Exactly. A routine shouldn't feel like a prison. It's there to help you, not to control you.
Well said, Lisa. Now, we'd love to hear from you, our listeners.
What does your daily routine look like? Are you an early bird or a night owl?
What's the one part of your day you always try to protect? Your morning coffee, an evening walk, or maybe quiet time with the book?
Share your thoughts with us. You can find us on social media. Tell us what works for you.
Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing this time.
We hope you took away a little inspiration for your own daily rhythm.
Until next time, take good care of yourselves.
Goodbye.
Bye.